network. This video is going to be a short, quick video to show you how to use the APN Widget Wizard. First, I'll show you an example of what the Widget Wizard can produce for you. Here on this sample site, you can see this 3-product gallery that's showing you 3 different products that are in the isotonics family. Every time you refresh the page, you see 3 different products, but they all belong to the isotonics family. Again, every time one of your users comes back to your page, they're going to see 3 different products. So hopefully at some point they'll see a product they're interested in. And if they like any of the products, they just simply click on it and it drives them through to that product page where they can register as a customer and place an order, and all of that volume will go to your appropriate organization. So how do you get this to exist on your site? We have to have a snippet of code that you can paste on your site, and the pasting of snippets of code is in a different video. In this video, we'll simply show you how to generate snippets of code that produce promotions like this for your site or blog. Log into your back office, unfranchise.com, and go to Ordering, Apps and Feature Center, and then do a search for APN. This will show you the 2 tools that are currently available for the APN program. In a different video, we talk about the sidebar, which is a Chrome extension for Chrome. In this video, we're going to talk about the Widget Wizard. The Widget Wizard is actually just a website you go to, so you can use it with any browser that you want to use. Safari, Firefox, Chrome, any browser, because it's just a website that you will go to. This page gives you a little bit more detailed information about what the Widget Wizard is for and what it does. The Get It Now button takes you directly to that website. So you can come directly to this URL anytime you want. Just type in this URL and it'll bring you here. And the way the Widget Wizard works is the first thing you do is you'll put in your unique publisher ID, and in a different video, I show you how to find your publisher ID in your unfranchise.com back office. And after you put that in, you're going to select what country and language you want to produce a widget for. We'll just do USA English for this demo. Hit continue. And then here's where you start to determine what products you want to show. And you do this by picking a top level category. We'll do something in the beauty category this time. And then your second level category can be anything that you want to choose. We'll do eye makeup. And now it returns back all of the products that we sell related to these 2 categories. If you wanted to further narrow this down, you can put a search term in here. So maybe we wanted to have everything related to blue. Now we're going to see only products that either have a color blue or have blue in the title or somehow relate to the search term blue. So these are the products that we want to show. We hit continue. And here we have the opportunity to design our widget to our liking. We can choose between 1 product up to 5. I typically use 3 for all of my implementations. It really depends on where you're going to put this promotion and how it will fit in your site or blog. Totally up to you what is the best fit. You can choose if it's going to be horizontal or vertical. It'll be vertical if you want to put it on the side of the page. It typically is horizontal if you're going to put it at the top, middle, or bottom of the page. You also have the opportunity to work with the coloring scheme to help it match the color scheme of your site. The description here or title, you can alter the color here. Pricing, the color of the cost, you can alter that color here. And you can work with the background color here. And once you've got all of these things set the way you would like them to be, you continue one more time. And there's that snippet of code that you will take back to your website or blog and paste in wherever you want this to display. We made it that simple. So that's how the Widget Wizard works. Look for other videos related to APN, and thank you for your attention.